this documentary is about what generally clients gives us an information regarding input, what is the requirement and how a designer handles it in a beautified manner with the requirement and also the design aesthetics in mind. So what I will be doing is I will be putting them across few questions which the designer as well as the client will be talking to each other, so which can help other clients as well. So Vaishnavi, what I have to say is, when a client comes with you with a requirement, let us say kitchen, they just have storage and they don't know what to say other than storage. So तुमको क्या लगता है, तुम कैसे वो प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करोगे? और सोनिया जी, अगर आप हमारे पास या किसी के पास भी जा रहे हैं तो आप कैसे बोलोगे वो चीज स्टोरेज
कि आपको क्या चाहिए? बेसिकली आपको क्या चाहिए?
उनको क्या चाहिए मेरे बोल रहे थे, बाद में तुम क्योंकि वो छोड़ते ही नहीं हमको बोलने के लिए.
So if I go with the kitchen first, I'll start with the kitchen. तो as we are more particular कि हमको open kitchen चाहिए था, तो she was so cooperative हाँ कि open kitchen में का इससे like with a living area से match करना चाहिए, क्योंकि I don't want कि एकदम contrast में red, blue, green चला जाता. So she has given बहुत अच्छा option कि थोड़ा सा light color में जाओ with the tiles little dark, तो वो look अच्छा आ जाएगा. So in that way she helped. और storage का जैसे इसमें मुझे like I don't want कि वो glass and all होती, वो बहुत अंदर से दिखता है, तो she has given कि nice option कि micro का रख लो, यहाँ पर glass का नहीं दिखना चाहिए, तो it will be clean. कोई आया तो बंद कर दिया shutters, तो वो neat लगेगा.
I think most of the time ये working ladies के लिए बंद कर दो
So what happens, storage in the kitchen depends on the size of the house also, and your requirements definitely. So we had little bit more storage on this storeroom as well. So we never wanted the lofts on the top of this kitchen, right? So that's why we told initially itself. So I think this is the requirement should be, how much storage do you want? Do you want the loft?
Yes.
Then the designer has to think, can they fix the lofts there? And how much storage you really want? I mean, we really want all the wardrobes everywhere in all the corners of the kitchen. Then it's a different thing. So we wanted minimal storage with beautiful design, specific, storage area for microwave oven. So we got that.
Yeah.
So these kind of things
Which come on, right?
Yeah.
So coming to the foyer area, Vaishnavi. So people just say, I want storage in the foyer area. They will not say how many number of pairs of slipper they are going to.
They will never tell.
So what is the questions you generally put across your clients to pull that foyer design?
See, when this client came to me and I asked them, so the first question I asked, how many pair of shoes you want to keep? So I was like, then I told them that, okay, so let's keep expensive shoes inside the wardrobe, okay, or inside somewhere. Let's keep the daily wear shoes, whatever you are using for office and all, you can keep it outside. And since as soon as people are coming, first impression is always the last impression. For should be like very simple show work, and people should come and they should say, okay, मैंने देखा था, कुछ देखा था, वो ऐसा देखा था. So this is the same thing which I try to reflect in their house. And I did it, and I hope my clients are happy with that.
And just to add to that, beauty is one thing. Second thing, it should be usable. So that's why we told, initial discussion that we need a place to sit. And
sitting place.
Right. So sitting place should be there.
हाँ, क्या बैठ के easily अपने sandals करने को
ऐसा नहीं खड़े हुए हैं इधर-उधर.
हाँ, basically
visibility should be there basically in the design, which the designer has taken care in our case. Each and everything which you see, right, it has a usability in it.
Yeah, the most important thing is everywhere I see the study table continuing with the chest of drawers. That was the one of the crazy thing in your house. It doesn't look like every other traditional study table.
Exactly.
That's what we want.
Actually, maybe that was the longest discussion we had.
Yeah.
So how these study tables came in. So we told her we will be working from home most of the time. So we need a table where we can work on, keep our laptop work on, but it should not look like a study table. And it was definitely a difficult
Then
task.
actually I thought, and then I came up, and when I give them the option, then first shot, okay, fine, this is nice. They just did it like this, and it was freezed.
So a table should not look like a table.
Table, typical table, yeah.
Study table.
ऑफिस में भी वही काम करने का टेबल
नहीं, अगर टेबल जैसी दिखेगी तो डिजाइनर का कोई मतलब नहीं.
So she has given such a good nice option कि साइड में उसने साइड वो दिया स्टडी वो अपना काम कर ऑफिस का, and this side she has given कि later we have a LED होगा तो यहाँ पे LED भी लगा सकते हो. So it's a 2-in-1. She has given such a
और
option.
यहाँ पे भी किड्स बेडरूम में भी स्टडी टेबल इज कंटिन्यू टू द ड्रेसिंग यूनिट.
मुझे लगता है कि बच्चों पे इतना लेबर है, जाके इतनी सारी बुक्स हो जाएंगी तो उसको जगह भी जाना चाहिए. तो इट शुड बी कि मैं ज्यादा जगह रख सकूं.
पहले तो उनके टॉयज रखने की जगह से.
Exactly. So that's why you have seen like she has suggested small boxes, not like very lengthy boxes.
Yeah.
Even in the cupboards, like it's like the wardrobes. I'm sorry. So they have small boxes.
Boxes.
So they can
Boxes.
keep multiple things in that. If you give one big box, it will be just lying there. So
It will be messed up.
And the second thing what I want to tell you कि जो wardrobes वगैरह है उसकी internal design was so good with Bonitos.
We were impressed with that.
Impressed क्योंकि one night में हम भी have discussed कि हमको अंदर की कैसे डिजाइन चाहिए. They have given several की kids की डिजाइन है. We have a 20 design for the
presentation.
The PDF you have, right? It's really amazing actually. I don't think so anybody will go really out of that.
और इवन बच्चों की हाइट के हिसाब से कि बच्चे की हाइट इतना इजीली वो हैंग कर सकते हैं. तो दैट wardrobes की
And we have tried to give more funky names as well.
Yeah, exactly.
yeah, funky names. So that easy. No, I don't remember the names, but designs के नाम भी बहुत अलग थे.
That was pretty unique concept. Yeah.
I never seen such concept. तो मोनिटर जब वो PDF आया I was crazy. यार ये चूज कर सकते हो, ये चूज कर सकते हो.
और आपके गेस्ट बेडरूम का मेरा एक इनपुट बहुत अच्छा है. तो छोटा रूम के लिए 2 मिरर दिया है ना, वो बहुत बड़ा कर रहा है रूम को. तो
Yeah. And secondly, what Vaishnavi suggested and even हम लोग भी agree हुए थे कि जैसे छोटा रूम है, so go for the wide wardrobes and all. जिससे घर बड़ा, रूम बड़ा दिखेगा. And with यदि हम अलग से separate dressing area लेते तो रूम को छोटा करता. तो she said कि चलो उसमें साथ में लगाते हैं, white करते हैं तो कमरा भी बड़ा लगेगा and dressing area की भी जरूरत नहीं लगेगी. Like you can आराम से उसे wardrobe पे देख के तैयार हो सकते हो.
Okay. So, thank you very much Mr. Saurav and Sonia for giving us a pleasant chance to decorate your house and also to shoot the video.
Thank
Thank you
you.
once again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.